Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. For today's vlog, we've got a computer here that doesn't want to boot up to Windows. Basically, we press the power button and instead of starting up and booting up, it doesn't really go into Windows and the keyboard lights don't come up. So this is an issue that we assisted the customer with and we got it resolved. But here is the quick summary of what happened. Actually, before we go into it, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button. So the first thing to do here is to check the graphics card. And to do that, so I just removed the customer's GPU. GPU means graphics card. So remove that. So this motherboard has an onboard GPU. So I have tested with the onboard GPU. It's still the same issue. Once I completed that test, I went on to install my test GPU. So my test GPU, it's a MSI GPU with 1 gig of RAM, which is completely fine. I use it like for doing all these troubleshooting and testing, etc. Here's the GPU, installing it, and then test it with this GPU, and still we have the same issue. The computer powers up, but it doesn't actually boot into Windows, and we don't receive the CMOS beep as well, so meaning that it's not actually reading the BIOS or something within the circuit. It's not acting up right. Now, for the next test, I changed the memory cards. So the memory card slots that it's being used is 2 and 4. I removed one of the RAMs and then I installed the other one on slot 1. And after I did this, it immediately started up and booted into Windows. As you can see here, so the computer is now booting. So the problem most likely with the RAM. So I tested each one of these RAMs individually, and all of them passed the test. And then what I did after was clean the RAMs to make sure that they are making a good contact. I'm using an external display, so it's a portable display here for testing that I always carry with me when I'm going around and seeing customers. I have shut down, rebooted, restarted so many times, and the issue got resolved. If you are experiencing this sort of issue, sometimes it can be the RAM. So basically taking out the RAM as well as part of your troubleshooting steps, cleaning up the RAM and then putting it back on, that will help. Changing it from slot 2 to slot 1 if it's only one RAM, or if you're using 2 RAMs as this customer is using here, just change the slots and test it out. Another thing that I did after all of these tests that I conducted was to run burning test, 15-minute test that will do, and then there is another test that I ran to verify that the VRAM for this machine is running smoothly. So updated the BIOS from this motherboard and everything is running smoothly. This is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that subscribe button and please do hit that like button, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.